gorgeous, it's Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today we won't talk about fashion, we're going to talk about natural hair. Well, my natural hair. So I won't be talking to you about natural hair in general, but really more what I've learned about my own hair in the last year. This video was actually really requested by you guys. To be quite sincere, I was hesitating to do this video because I felt like my hair was not growing as much as other people on YouTube. So I was like, what can I really bring as value in the natural hair community? And honestly, I feel like I can just give you hope that if your hair is not growing as fast, it's okay, you're not alone. What about that? So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm actually going to be sharing with you 3 mistakes that I believe I did in the last year or so that actually stopped my hair from growing as fast as other people, or as fast as I wanted it to grow. Before I start, make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and also some very serious study shows that every time you click on the like button here on this channel, your hair grows just a little bit more. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and thumbs up this video. And also follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Sophia_. And again, I want to be sharing with you guys 3 reasons why my hair wasn't growing as fast as it should have last year. And it's going to change this year. Reason number 1, I did not trim or cut my hair enough. I know it sounds a little ridiculous, but the longer you want your hair to be, the more often you kind of have to cut it. Well, you have to cut it when it's unhealthy. And honestly, because I was doing a lot of protective style, if you've been following me like on my channel, on Instagram, as usual, I don't wear my hair out. I wear protective style, I wear wigs, I wear braids. So often I was like, why, you know, trimming my hair or cutting my hair if I'm really not like wearing it out? No one can see that I need a trim. No one can tell that I need a trim. And because of that, I was just letting my hair be under my wigs, under my crochet, under my braids, and that actually affected my hair a lot. I personally really hate cutting my hair. I will avoid it at all costs. So if you're like me, I really strongly suggest going to a hair salon to do it. So I actually went to a hair salon for the first time for my natural hair, for actually taking care of my natural hair, and it was such a great experience. I loved it. I actually went to the Joanne hair salon here in Laval, where I live. And if you live in the Laval or Montreal area in Canada, I would strongly suggest going to her salon. She is absolutely amazing, and not only is she good at what she does, she is also super sweet. And this girl is on top of her game, and I actually really respect her business. She's the one who actually did my hair for my wedding, and I have like some type of attachment to this chick. She is beautiful. Her soul is beautiful. It's just amazing. Just amazing to go to a salon and just like have this experience. So if you want someone to take care of your hair, your natural hair in a professional environment, I would strongly suggest going to her. But when I went there, she washed my hair, deep conditioned my hair, and gave me a cut, a little trim that was really needed because my ends were horrible, and I felt so good after. I had like she did also a twist out for me, and it was one of the most beautiful twist out. I can never reproduce these things, but anyways, that's another subject. She gave me a beautiful twist out. It was beautiful, it was gorgeous, my hair was moisturized and great. So that's something I would recommend. Also, if you cannot take care of your hair and you do have the means, go to a hair salon, go to someone else to take care of your hair. You don't have to do it alone. We don't have to do this alone. Reason number 2, the lack of deep conditioning. And I'm not just talking about like using conditioner as like after, but like really deep conditioning my hair. Again, going back to point number 1, I wear a lot of protective styles, so crochet, braids, wigs, and etc. And honestly, I was just washing my hair, braiding my hair, putting a wig on top of it, and I was calling it a day. And I really thought that I was doing myself a favor by not manipulating my hair too much. For me, like deep conditioning was really for when I was going to have my hair out and I wanted it to look moisturized. But dry hair breaks, guys. Breaking news. I know I sound so dumb right now, but I'm not an expert in natural hair, and for me that was like not like a given, you know. But yes, dry hair breaks a lot. It's terrible. It's really horrible, and I had to learn it the hard way. Now, as soon as I wash my hair, every single week I deep condition my hair with products from Ayapeona. I won't talk about the products that I'm using today in this video, but I will still link them in the description box below, and I will make a whole video about that. if you're interested. So now every single week when I wash my hair, I also take the time to deep condition my hair. I hate the time it takes, but the result is so great that I cannot believe I wasn't doing it before. It makes a huge difference. If you want to see like a whole hair routine type of thing, like, yo, leave a comment below, maybe I'll do it, who knows. Reason number 3, I eat like crap. And honestly, making sure that you drink enough water and that you actually take vitamins makes a huge difference into your hair regimen. I eat more candy in a day than I drink water, and I have to say it kind of makes a difference. And yeah, just by changing the amount of water that I drink per day, I could really see a difference in my nails, in my hair, and in my general health. But that's another story. And also there are applications that will help you to remember to drink water, and I would strongly suggest downloading one of them because it will change your life. I know, like, whenever I drink water and like I have a lot of water in a day, first of all I pee a lot, but I also feel it in my body. I feel better, I have more energy, I glow, it changes my skin, it changes my hair, it changes my nails. So I would strongly suggest taking vitamins and drinking water. That's it. This was really short and sweet, and I will try to show you before and afters of my hair. I'll try to find like a video where I actually have my hair, because it's not the best video to talk about hair when I'm actually wearing crochet. But hey. I won't remove it just for the video, it makes no sense. So that's it guys for this video. I really hope you liked it, and if you haven't already, make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is Sophia_. On that note, au revoir, bisous bisous.